Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI.
If you're looking for a great grill for your cookouts this summer, I really want to tell you about this Weber Spirit Grill. One thing I really appreciate is the high quality materials and construction. This grill does a great job and feels like it's going to last for a long time. It's also easy to start, it will ignite easily even if it's windy, and it has some cool features like a sear feature that you can use to get that really hot sear for your steaks. Speaking of heat, of course, there is a temperature gauge so you can monitor just the right temperature for whatever you're grilling. And I also love this extra burner on the side. I think it's so convenient and just such a nice feature to have when you need it. There's also a place to add some rotisserie equipment if you want to use your grill that way. So I hope you have some amazing cookouts this summer using your grill.
And that's my point of view.